Hey everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. My name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. If you're someone struggling to learn hip-hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year your year to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to get started is in the description box below. In this video, you're gonna learn 3 hip-hop grooves for any beginner. You could do this in social events, parties, clubs, simple moves just to get down. The format of this video, you're gonna learn the move with no music, then we're gonna try it to music, and then we're gonna put all the steps together to make a fun sequence. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. All right, let's get started. The first move we're gonna do is called the 2-step, and it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's called a 2-step because you're just stepping 2 times. There's different layers that you can add to this, but let's start with the basic, just the feet first. So I'm starting with my right foot and I'm going right, left. That's already the 2-step, is a 1, 2. Then we would do it on the other side, left, right, left, right. Okay, so let's do that again, starting with the right foot. It's gonna go right, left, then left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, left, right, right, left. One more time, right, left, left, right. Okay, so sideways profile, I'm just keeping my steps under me when I do my 2-step. There are different variations where you can angle it and step it forward, step it back, but just for today, we're gonna keep the steps under ourselves, okay? One more time, let's do each side twice. 5, 6, right, here we go. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add some fun layers to it. Let's add a clap. I'm always gonna clap on the 2, 4, 6, 8. So without the steps, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add the step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it for another 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the rock, and let's just keep it really simple. This adds a little spice and hot sauce to the step. If it's something that you don't have now, it's okay. The meat of the step is what's happening in your feet, and then adding the clap and the rock up is just extra spice. So with our rock, we're going up, bringing our torso down, up, down, up. And we're doing it once on each side. So we're going to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Your shoulders go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And what we don't want to do is push our shoulders back and chest out. So we want to break this habit when it comes to the rock. So rocking down and up is what we want to train ourselves to do, bringing the shoulders down and up, not keeping the shoulders in the same height. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. Now let's add the feet, the 2-step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that with music.
I'm about to get busy. 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 I'm about to get busy.
right, that's the ultimate ABC of groove. Even if you just have the feet, it's totally fine. Continue over time to add the clap and then the rock. So the second step we're gonna do is a slide and hop. And we're just going to the right and to the left, and it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, hop, slide, hop, slide, hop, slide, hop, slide, hop, and slide, hop. 7, 8. All right, so all I'm doing is just sliding to one side and doing a mini hop with my feet together. So with going to the right, I'm stepping to the right, but I slide my left. So again, if I'm going to the right, I slide my left foot. So I initiate step, but my left slides, and when they meet, they do a mini hop together. Okay? Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step, slide, and then hop. Then we do it to the other side. If we're going to the left, we step with our left, slide the right, and then hop together to bring the feet together. Okay? So we're going to the left. Again, when we step to the left, we step left foot, but slide the right. Hop together. So let's do that slow, and let's go 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hops and slides, or slides and hops. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? With your hands, torso, you don't have to do anything. You can clap or you don't have to clap. Mainly the step is just stepping out and then hop together, stepping out and hopping together, both sides. Okay? So let's do that, and we're gonna try it 4 times again. We're gonna go extra slow, and then we're gonna bring the tempo up faster, and then we're gonna try it with music. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, hop. 2, hop. 3, hop. Now a little bit faster. 1, hop. 2, hop. 3, hop. 4, hop. All right, let's try it to music, and we're gonna do 2 8 counts total. That step, the slide hop. Here we go.
Come on, I'm about to get busy. 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 Come on.
So the third and final step we're gonna do is a step and shoulder shimmy. So for this one, we're gonna step forward and then shoulder shimmy, step back and shoulder shimmy. Starting with our right foot, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do another 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now let's break it down. My feet, the sequence is basically stepping right, left, left, right, okay? So now just focusing on the legs, not adding anything wild with the torso just yet. We're gonna go right, tap back, step, tap front, okay? So speaking on weight change really quick, I'm going flat foot, tap back, flat foot, tap forward. Okay, knowing that sequence, let's just practice and drill that for 2 8 counts. 5, 6, right foot first, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, cool. Now, to add a little pizzazz to it, let's pick up our feet every time we step. So instead of doing this with our feet super close to the ground, let's add a little pizzazz and pick up our feet almost like we're stepping over an ant pile. Pick it up, tap, pick it up, tap. pick it up. So I'm bringing my feet just a bit higher, so it adds a little energy and a little dynamic when you're stepping. So let's try it for 2 8 counts. Here we go. Pick it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Now, the shoulder shimmy, we don't gotta go crazy for this one, but what's happening is I'm mainly accenting my right shoulder forward. So without the steps, I'm doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, just the right shoulder accenting front. Okay? So now when I use the torso, I'm bringing my torso forward and leaning it back only because my feet allow it. So, but if I don't add the feet, I'm just leaning forward, leaning back, leaning forward, leaning back. Yeah? So one more time, leaning forward, leaning back, leaning forward, then back. Now add the shoulder shimmy and let's try it slow for 2 8 counts, okay? So 5, 6, 7, let's try it. 2 to the front, 2 to the back, 2 to the front, 2 to the back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try it with the feet, but you don't have to go crazy just yet with the feet, like picking it up. We can keep our feet small for now to transition into a bigger step. So let's try a small step first. 5, 6, small step first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now let's try a bigger step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music.
Come on, I'm about to get busy. 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 Come on.
All right, so now let's put the 3 steps together. The 2-step, the slide hop, and the step with the shoulder shimmy. We're gonna do each step 1 8 count, and then we're gonna reset and do it again, okay? So without music, let's just practice it twice with the reset breath or break in between. So 2-step, slide hop, shoulder shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step, shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, with the music, we're gonna do it just like that. 1 time full sequence, 2nd time full sequence. Let's go.
Come on, I'm about to get busy. 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 Come on.
All right, now you got 3 new steps to take with you to a party. Hopefully you feel confident to have some movement in your tool belt. If you like videos just like this, we release them every Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next week.